Why do I feel like I'm like happy without starfish these days? Hey, my lovely subscribers, welcome back to a new vlog. Welcome back to my channel. Hey, if you've been a long time viewer, it's time for you to subscribe. Yeah, as you can see behind me, put the pan stove. Guess what? Breakfast ready. So let me share some breakfast. And it's a Carnival Sunday. Will you be going to Carnival? What's on the breakfast menu? Fried dumpling. Fried dumpling with Aki. Chat the pot Krishna already. Yeah. That's why it looks as scanty. Yeah. This is it, chat. The dumpling looks dumpling look handicapish, man. Why do I feel like I'm like happy without starfish these days? Why? I think I actually prefer actually without starfish. So chop my finish with breakfast. And breakfast was good. You see my belly? That's a breakfast belly. Alright. Let's get into setting up this thing here. So it's a bathroom rack. Okay, belly. Oh, I got back another white one. Finish. People love store baggy. Lovely. Mm. Line them up. All of these are the same length. Yep, same length. In a job chat. Soon tighten them up chat. Rain saga. She took out the clothes them and the rain stopped for. Pastor, you say you in the rain. Suppose that you said. Just step on the cardboard. As soon as I finish, I gotta just come right back down. That's Don't know when my life became so complicated. It's missing. Oh, like one of the leg missing. One of this is missing. You can take off the old one off the old bathroom stand and put it on it. Okay, no worries. Let's get about me. They may when you hang things on the truck. Them you need it. These are hooks. These are for the top. Soon put on the next right there so. Then we go up here so. I'm gonna tighten it now. I try to find the next part. See it here? Put on the bottom.
Yeah, what can you give me?
What your work?
Oh yeah.
Ah! You and the sun plain. Hang out and take up the clothes then. Take this one. I'll see. Then take this one. Turn it around. I take enough. That's that. I think that's all just coming through, coming through, coming through. Ooh, this is the old one. So man, rusty. The chemical do it say in the chat. The bleach and the fab. What? What? Okay. Rusty. Damn, it's a hot mess. So try to get a little wipe off before I put it inside. Nice and clean and presentable. Coming through, check, coming through. Our grand. Oops. Something alright. As y'all can see, it couldn't go over the toilet. Reason why, because of that little bottom piece. So I'm gonna stoop down and I'm gonna take it off. And that piece right there, that is what's hindering it from go over the toilet. So I'ma take it off. As you can see, the old toilet rack, it doesn't have that piece at the bottom. So it's not really needed because the toilet rack, it's still standing firm. It's not like you put some heavy stuff on it. So let me take it off now. Chat, as you can see, it fits over the toilet now. Alright, chat, this is it. So it's cherry carrot juice. Shot dinner pot ready. Rice and peas. One pot of chicken. Yeah, chat. This is one for the dinner menu. Right. Cherry carrot juice. Lovely, lovely, fabulous.